You need to understand JavaScript hoisting. It's simpler than you think. Let's dive in. Hoisting is JavaScript's way of handling variable and function declarations. Imagine all declarations moving to the top of their scope during the compile phase. Let's start with variables. When you declare a variable using var, it's hoisted to the top of its function or global scope. Check this out. Even though my var is declared after the first console log, it's hoisted to the top. So the first console log doesn't throw an error but prints undefined. What about let and const? They're hoisted too, but you can't access them before their declaration. This results in a reference error. Now let's talk functions. Function declarations are hoisted. You can call a function before it's defined and it'll work perfectly. But function expressions? Different story. Only the variable declaration is hoisted, not the function definition. So, calling the function before it's assigned results in a type error. And that's hoisting in JavaScript. It's all about how declarations are handled in different scopes. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to CodeByte Bit Shorts for more coding tips.